Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair fell 0.3% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 2% in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an oversold market. The gold rose 0.5% against the dollar in the last trading session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair plummeted 2.2% in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an oversold market.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
JP Morgan, Citigroup, Wells Fargo and Bank of America wrote off $3.4 billion in bad loans from borrowers in the first 3 months of 2023. The banks are putting aside increased amounts in reserves to cover the risk of more borrowers failing to repay their debt. The US Securities and Exchange Commission is advising brokers and investment advisors they need to use heightened scrutiny when it comes to making crypto recommendations to ensure the risky products are in the best interests of their clients, the agency said in a new bulletin. The US dollar fell as weak data reinforced expectations the world's largest economy is likely headed toward recession, further supporting the view that the Federal Reserve could pause in June after another expected rate hike next month.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Baker Hughes US oil rig count will be released at 1700 hours GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Manufacturing PMI at 00 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Services PMI at 00 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions will be released at 2030 GMT. The UK's retail sales at 0600 hours GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 2030 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.